I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we adding some important news. Now adding news from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. According to our lady reporter Shaheen Javed report on the special occasion of Pakistan Day on March 23, a grand flag hoisting ceremony was held at the Embassy of Pakistan in Riyadh. Embassy officers attended the ceremony. The ceremony officially began with the recitation of the Holy Quran. Ambassador of Pakistan Ahmed Farooq hoisted the flag to the tune of the national anthem, after which the embassy officers read out messages from President of Pakistan Asif Ali Zardari and Prime Minister of Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif and said that today is a day of renewal of commitment. We all have to pledge together today that we all have to work together for the construction, development, peace and security of Pakistan. Those who obstruct the path of Pakistan's development and peace will also have to play their full role in making a target and an example. Pakistan wants a peaceful solution to the Kashmir issue, and Pakistan will continue to provide diplomatic and moral support to the Kashmiris at all levels. Addressing the ceremony, the ambassador of Pakistan said that we are all ambassadors of our country and it is our duty to work together for the betterment of the country. At present, Pakistan is facing major challenges like terrorism, but today we all have to make a commitment to end this scourge. We all have to play our role in resolving Pakistan's current problems by ending all kinds of differences. For updates, connect with Saiba News HD.